Water chiller connect. This label was water output. It is outlet cable connect to chiller water outlet
Water
port. Input cable connect to chiller water. Input this part was water filled. Filled water to chiller tank. Add distilled water to tank and check the water level. Water level unable to overtake the yellow level. Need within the green level. Otherwise in yellow level water will be let out. If machine chiller alarm, but you have filled water to green level. It is water reflow to cable make water level reduce to red level. You need to fill the water again and make level back to green.
Put back the water-filled cover box.
Water chiller power supply electric connect. This port need to add to power supply cabinet. Find the water chiller port on power system and connect to the correct port. And tight the port. And then connect the main plate to power system cabinet. Cable connect and tight. And then connect the working table. Connect to the cabinet and tight. Connect the pedal and tie. This port was protective gas argon gas. After all connect down end, we need to power connect to the cabinet. Your general electric power box. This cable was for CCD light shield. Connect it and then connect the cable which for power CCD shaft. Please note the cable connect need correct. Yellow cable was for CCD display. Installation microscope. Microscope bottom have deck holder. Installation and there have a smaller screw. Tight the screw. Make sure it is tight and microscope unable to take away. CCD display have cable please connect. And power the cabinet. This button was power supply switch. Red button was emergency stop. Have spotlight, red light, start up and stop. Switch the power supply on. And rotary the emergency stop make it S up. After done this power on please, go check the water chiller. It is show running. Panel show tuning means chiller working. If you press the button return arrows and red dot, it is will make machine standby not working. If show stands, please press the button again. And press emergency stop, it is will make chiller out of power. If need power again please, rotary up the emergency stop. Pedal, for main plate up and down. Press left was up, press right was down. Start up power cabinet turn on. Press the start up, control panel will be power on. This interface was the normal working status. And press the on control panel. and then waiting for 1分钟 use. Control panel show normal. It as means could be working. This light spotlight. Need to press on spotlight and red light. Press red light on, will have red dot on plate. Red dot was overload the laser spot. And press on the spotlight. Make the spotlight lighting the working position. Adjust microscope. Adjust the microscope, make it focus correct. Needs to make use remote control box. Press the up, down will make working table up, down, and make the spotlight lighting to the red light dot. Make it as more visible and clearly. Observing the working position on microscope. And eye on microscope, manual control table up and down. You found that very clear and visible. Then it was the correct focus distance. Microscope observing welding position, which are clearest. On microscope have a cursor. And manual press foot pedal to emission laser spot. It as laser spot was overlapping on the red dot. If not overlapping, adjust the switch on microscope. Button part technician for figure up, point out down of cursor. Right part for adjust left and right of cursor. And on CCD display you also could, observing the welding position. It as laser spot not overlapping on the cursor. Adjust the microscope right part to adjust it. Once done, adjust then tight the screw. Make it as unable to loosen. But it is mainly need to focus on microscope cursor. It as adjust the focus for laser spot. Line value was the positive focus. Positive focus it is not good for welding job. It is laser spot not be circle, so not good for welding melt wire rod. And it is will make laser welding have spark. Make it negative focus to value R. Welding positions was beautiful and circle. On control panel have parameter for welding. Current, adjust the value, change the laser energy. Pulse width was laser spot width. Increase the pulse width will make spot width and welding power lower. Frequency was laser emission frequency, seconds. $400 瓦 mold it is could melt wire rod diameter 1.0毫米. Video testing was 0.4毫米 wire. It is welding parameter was adjusted current, pulse width, frequency, according to wire rod diameter. And also manual feeding speed of fast, then you also need to increase the frequency, which will make welding more smooth, and spot more uniform. For pulse width, if wire rod be 0.8 到 1.0毫米, its pulse width will increase to 5. And the energy be 130. 1.0毫米 diameter wire it is energy of current 比140到150. After we done all the adjustment, please note, machine working table unable to move and also working table unable to shocking. This pipe was below argon gas. Below argon gas will make welding position more beautiful and white. Start testing the welding. If you need to make the welding spot more width, could increase the current and pulse width. Pulse width B 4.0 0.4毫米 wire diameter. Current 90 0.4毫米 wire diameter. Wire start position need on the cursor center. Start testing. Manual moving control table and foot press pedal to emission laser spot. And you could manual moving the wire to make it as in center. Manual welding it is speed will affect the welding result. Power off machine. Power off machine need to off system at first, otherwise may damage machine. Press off. Waiting for system power off. After done system power off. Then press cabinet stop button. And switch off power supply and emergency stop. Red light, spotlight could be off or standby. Power off general power supply box. Thanks for watching. Eleanor, +86 157 977 4324